Look at the flowers. Yeah. Go. Look at the flowers. It's so cool. Yes. Let's go look for the other flowers over there. Go. Here, Kuya. Hello, Dwayne. Dwayne. Let's go for the flower.
Yeah.
Come, let's go over there. Look at the flower. Many flower. Look at the flower.
Look, it's not the one.
Hello. Oh, it's so beautiful.
What color is this?
What color is this?
Red.
Red.
This one.
How about that one?
It's a white. It's a broken flower.
It's a broken flower. Where's the broken flower?
This one.
Oh, it's a broken flower.
It's a white flower.
Ah, there's a white flower.
Wow, it's so cool.
It's so cool.
I see it. Let's go find more flowers.
There's some more flower. Look at the color.
Let's go find more flowers. Look at the yellow. Why?
Yes, many colors. Let's find more flowers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You count.
Look, this. So
What's
many
that?
flowers. It's a flower, mommy.
It's a flower. It's a tulips. Hola, ate. Hello, say hello, tita.
Hello, tita. Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's broken. Who broke that one?
It's not broken, mommy. It's not broken.
Ah, okay, it's not broken. Let's go over there.
Look, it's not.
Akyat, bilis, akyat.
That's one.
Dwayne, let's go. Let's go with Kuya. Bye.
Wait for me. There are flowers.
There's more flower over there.
Yellow. It's a yellow flower. Yellow flower.
Okay.
Hey, don't stop him. Dude,
Look, what's that? Let's go.
let's go. Yeah.
Namundok ang mga bata.
Oh, don't touch, eh? Don't touch.
Winky.
It's windy. Wow, ang ganda. Gracias, tita. Qué bonito. Wow, many flower. Kaninang nagpintas. Tiyempo na pinag-bloom. Sige, taray.
That one is it. Oh no.
What's that? It's a tree.
Yeah. It's my house.
It's your house.
Yeah. Hey, yo, come on. Where's the dome? It's safe.
No, don't climb. Let's go see the swimming pool.
Yeah. Swimming.
Yes, swimming pool.
Swimming.
Look over here.
Oh no.
Oh no, what's that?
No.
Come here. Kuya, look, it's a water.
Yeah.
Look, there's a fish.
Yo, what is this? What is this? Yes, corn.
Hindi malamig. Ang ganda ng tiyempo.
Beautiful. Look, I see it.
Ang daming bulaklak. Habol kayo ni Adrian. Let's go, Adrian. Come here, Adrian.
Look at this. What is this?
What's that?
Look, there's a fish. Look. So many swim. Swim with me.
Swim? Oh, don't go there, Dwayne. Mahulog ka, anak ko. Hoy, don't
Look, swim pool.
swim. Dwight, no.
Swim. I like this one.
No, it's malamig.
Wow. We need some more.
Hala, what's that?
The dog.
It's a dog.
Look, I see it. So cute. Mama, it's so pretty. Swim. Swim, Mama. There's a fish.
You like to swim?
No.
Oh,
No.
be careful, be careful. Oh, be careful. Oh, mahulog kayo, mahulog. Wow. Is a fish?
Yeah, look.
No. Walang fish.
Walang fish.
Walang fish? Oh, mahulog ka dyan, Dwight. Malamig ang tubig.
What is this, Nanay? What is this? It's not what? What is this? Look, I swim.
It's a dirty. The water is dirty. Look, it's a dirty.
Yeah, we need another one.
We need another one. Let's go find another one here. Kuya. Dwayne, let's go find another one here.
Another one here.
Here, over here. Kuya. Doon.
Oh. Look, it's not sweet. Hey, hey, where's the nose? It's really. Tatay!
It's a tie. Let's go. Come here. Look. Hoy, don't. Dwayne, don't. Look at the flower. Wow, it's so beautiful.
1, 2, 3. It's a flower purple.
Yeah, it's a flower purple.
White flower.
White flower. What more?
Pink flower.
Pink flower.
And white flower.
Mm-mm.
And purple flower. No green. No green. Oh no.
It smell good, the flower. Let's go over there. Water.
Let's go.
Let's go, tatay. No, don't.
¿Qué mata?
Y huele bien.
¿Sí?
Sí.
¿Bien?
My nanay.
¡Oh, sí!
Sí, no, huele bien, sí.
Sí que huele bien, sí.
Sí.
Hauríem d'anar a parlar ja, però...
¿Qué es con mujer?
It's Basak, mommy. It's Basak.
Is basa. Let's go over there. Look at the. Come here. Let's go look up. Agua. Yes.
Over there.
Look.
Yeah.
What's that?
My shoes.
What happened to your shoes?
My Basak.
May basa, lo. Ala, tanggal na, oh. Punta ka kay tatay, palagay mo yan, yan. Yung shoes mo, paayos mo, bilis.
This one. You put in.
Oh.
I have an idea.
You have idea? What idea? Say hello, Dwight. Hello. Dwight. Say hello, anak ko.
You want it away.
Oh, mahulog ka, anak. You want to take a bath? No?
I think I'm
What? There, oy, Dwayne! There's a frog. Okay. Ups, Dwayne, no, please. There's a frog. Dwayne, no. What? Yeah, okay. May bunny mouth. Let's go find more flowers. Okay, come here. Let's go adding more flowers. Oops, it's basa. You're playing?
I see it.
What do you see?
Look. I see it. This one.
It's dirty.
This one. Look.
Oh, don't touch, it's dirty.
I see. Look.
It's dirty.
It's a frog. Like this one.
Dwight, mahulog ka, anak, ah. Nanay. Who's that?
You want me to go? Oh my God!
Look, there's a
It's boo.
That's wrong. Papa.
Oh, like this one.
Look at Papi, look at Papi. Ah! Dwayne, look at Papi, Miss Boo.
Oh. Like this one is boo.
Dwight, basa anak ko. Let's go find more flowers.
It's not good. It's one like this. Oh, pet.
Papa,
Pet.
Take out the aqua.
let's go upstairs.
Hey, come here. What's wrong?
Adrian, come here, Adrian. Papa, pangato tayo.
Where's the frog?
Uy, Dwayne. Uy, mat nagtanak mo na eh.
What is this?
Papa.
It's not a plant. This is a rice.
No,
It's like a rice. This one.
when?
Plant?
I have to go
Where?
Oh, Dwight daw, kuha ka daw ng fish. There's no fish.
Let's go upstairs.
Dwight, help mommy.
Let's go upstairs.
Help mommy. Help mommy. Dwight, look at shoes of mommy, oh.
Oh, come here.
It's beautiful.
Put,
Look at that. Look.
Oh, come here.
Let's go.
Go! Come here, hey!
Oh, be careful.
Baby! Are you baby?
Walang fish, no? The fish, no?
let's go. Look at Papi.
Oh, let's go. Let's go.
I see a fish. Here.
You maligo? Tell the chef? No? Oh, picture. Oh, come here, here. Let's go.
Umulin eh, umulin eh.
Go. Mahulog gani ha?
Let's go.
Agarimda.
Ang kala, hindi na umatnag.
Armin di balasang. Armin di balasang. Agarimda ni, agarimda. Ano sila? Nay. Ay. Wala.
Vamos.
Yeah, say bye-bye. Ay,
Uy, ni janak mo, Papa.
okay. Bye-bye.
Yes.
What is this? Snip.
This way.
Oh.
Let's go find more.
Look.
It's dirty.
Come here. Doon tayo sa taas makita yung barko lang.
Another one. It's another one. Another one. And this one.
Look.
Look.
Balay ba? This one. Baleba.
No, it's not.
Yummy, so yummy.
It's so yummy.
Pagkain ninda.
Swim.
Malakopa.
Another
Malakopa.
one.
Let's go find.
It's alcohol like that, look.
Hey,
Agat,
look,
bisikul, bisikul.
look,
Oh, dapili.
look. What happened? It's a spicy.
Is it spicy? No, it's not, anak ko. Mahulog daan, papa. Let's go.
I see it.
Let's go.
Let's go find ant.
What is this? This is
Look,
Baleba.
Let's go find more flower.
Oh, look. Look. Kuna ko na look. Barcelona. Nay.
Yeah, Barcelona.
Barcelona. Look. Yan yung sabihin mo doon.
Let's
Here.
swim.
Look. Barcelona is one. Barcelona like this.
It's a frog. Let's go, Papa.
Where? Here.
Let's go find ants.
Let's go there.
Let's go find look at that fish.
Guys, a dirty agua. Don't touch.
Let's go find ants for the aqua. Look.
Look, there's a bridge.
Look.
What's that?
They're flying in my house. They're
In the house? It's not that one.
It's a dragonfly. That one is a dragonfly.
look at it's in my house.
In your house.
Yeah.
There's a dragon.
Look. Where's that? Look. Hey.
Oh!
Look.
What is this? This is bicycle. Bicycle in the Karayan.
Yeah.
Bicycle.
So many.
Let's go over there in the bridge. Look, there's a bridge.
Oh my God.
Oh, bisokol daw. Oh, sabi ni Dwayne. Bisokol.
Come on.
Mabandag birok ti. Mabandag birok Arminda. Oh, let's go. Kami. Maghanap tayo ng chicks.
Hello, Dwight and Dwayne daw, sabi ni Ate Paula. Hello, Ate. Come.
Okay. Oh. So malamig. Oh my God.
Oh no.
Maghugas kayo at makakita tayo ng maraming chicks yan. Maganda.
Papa, it's my first time here. Look,
Ano, may kanta.
nagpintas gamit na niyo, oh.
Oh, let's go. Oh my God.
There's a bridge. Wow, ang ganda. Look, go to Papa. Ang ganda ng bridge.
Yung maligo? Doon sa bridge. Come here.
Hello, Nanay Bilin. Kunam Wibuya.
Oh, say hi, ha. Ay, nahulog ka.
Hello, Tita Ana. Come here. Kunam.
Tita Ana, look ka na.
Look, it's so beautiful.
Look at this.
Ibagay naman ito niya.
Oh, look.
Kitan ti Barcelona. Look. Magitan ti Barcelona.
Nagpintas gamit tinga banda?
Jenny, nakadano na kay Hardin.
Look, oh.
Ya Hardin dahil siya ang ko nagliligaw ako na.
Dad.
Look at that. There's a fish. Wala fish na ko. Let's go there. Let's go.
Look. Look, let's go find ants.
Okay. Okay. Over there, yeah. Come here.
What are you doing, Dwayne? Let's go. Wow, it's so beautiful here. Go with Papa. Wow, what happened? Agbubutong. Let's go find something else.
Sabi ko Jenny. Look, this one in the video. Hello guys, find everybody.
What's that noise?
You know
You know?
what is this?
I think.
What is this?
What is that noise?
Put here in the small coconut and the polvo like David.
Ah, like a baking. No, it's not baking. Let's
It's not
go
baking.
upstairs.
That one. That is David.
Say hello, Nanay Rubilin.
Take care guys.
Say hello, Lola Belia. Say hello, Grandmas. Kunang.
O, say hi nga tani. Say hi, Dwayne.
You're playing. Oh my God. Say hello, guys.
Oo, take care. Oh, sasakyan, sasakyan. Wait. Oh, wait. Sasakyan. Wait. Let's go there. Please. Para makita natin yung ano. The Bull Barcelona. Oh, come here, mommy.
Look, guys, see? It's a big.
Ayan, let's go, come here.
Go with Papa, anak.
I will taxi. Oh my God, taxi.
Hello.
Okay, hi. Oh.
Let's go find. Let's go take a look. The view of Barcelona. Yeah, the view of Barcelona. Come here, Dwayne. Papa, the other one. Dalugan.
Come here, Dwayne. Ano, paramit ka? No, it's not.
Over there, anak ko. Let's go take a look, da.
Hawak ka na. Let's go there, Jenny. Tignan natin yung...
The view.
That one.
Oh, don't jaywalk. Don't jaywalk.
Come on, Adrian. Let's go in the park, Adrian.
Adrian, come here. Hello. Say hello, Dwight, Dwayne. Yeah.
Final. Stop nga, ano? No, dawan,
No,
dalan
doon,
ita.
anak ko.
Dawan, dalan.
Thank you. We are enjoying the view.
Oh my God. Let's see the Barcelona.
Oh.
Nagmada. Oh, mahulog ka ah. Doon ta sa ida ah. Oh, look. Hey, oh. Wow, man.
Where's your house? Where's your house?
Ayan na, Balay. Saan Balay yan? Saan? Ituro mo saan yung bahay.
Where's the house over there?
Oh, look.
See you soon, kawan ako. See you soon in the Philippines. Adrian, wala si Adrian, anak ko.
Awan chicks ito, Dwight, Dwayne.
Wala Adrian.
Oh, sabi mo doon, wala chicks.
I-share mo.
Wala.
Oh, it's a autobus.
Look, Barcelona. Andare na mo.
Hello. What are you doing, kuya? You're looking. Look at the view. Look at... Let's go over there. Let's go over there. Go with Papa. Go with Papa.
Dwayne, come here.
Go with Papa, anak ko. What's that?
That is a bawal magsigarilyo. No smoke. Ano ba? No smoking.
Gaman, Papa. Please.
Hawak ka na.
Go with Papa. Wala Adrian. See you soon. See you soon ka, pamilya. Ako naman ako.
See you soon. See you soon, very soon.
We're going home very soon.
Doon tayo sa bundok. Dapat tayo mag kuya.
Castillo.
Papa,
Miss Boo,
Oh, dito ah. Dito.
may panyal ka anak ko. Miss Miss Boo ka anak ko.
Meron wala. Wait.
Meron.
Meron. Kanay una ha. Wait ah, wait.
I miss
Hindi mo na wala.
Mommy. I miss
Damdamag paubadan.
Nay nakadayo is muna ni.
Look, I see it.
What's that?
Oh, let's go.
It's my turn, Papa.
Okay.
No, I'm done.
Mm.
No, open
Yeah, yes ah, yes ah.
No,
Yes ah, very good. Oh, let's go.
let's go find out.
Oh, final.
Look. Look.
You need to find something else over there.
No, don't touch it ah. Isa patay like that.
Go.
Let's go. Oh, yan na yung mga dump truck. Pang quarry. Dump truck ya. What happened?
What do you want to try?
Tagdirok law ah.
Go.
Let's go find. Let's go find. Father.
It's a flower. It's a cherry blossom.
You want I'm flying here?
No.
Oh. Let's go.
Let's go.
What's in there? What's in there?
Johnny. Bawal ito ni nakaalad na kita.
No, over there upstairs.
Let's go dun.
Okay,
Let's
let's
find
go
this
na.
part,
Let's
Dad.
go.
No.
Look, a flower.
Oh, pagkita mo ni Barcelona. I'm here. Din the tuk-tuk like that.
Look. Another one.
What's that?
That's the aqua.
Isagwa?
No, mahulog ah.
Look, the aqua.
Oh, no. Hindi mapanlata siya. Hmm?
No, don't go there anak ko. Mahulog ka.
Inside, look.
No, it's not. That is a house.
It's a house. Look, what's this?
Look oh, it's so beautiful.
Ayan eh, Jaya, balay tayo ni. Look. Oh, in the house there.
There? Hi.
Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go in the swimming. Let's go in the swimming.
Let's go find else.
Yeah.
Something else, not else.
No, awan, ito na ko sarado. Ata, sa close.
It's a close. Let's go back.
Ayusin na ako. Under construction like that.
Yeah, it's under construction.
Construction. Nagbakasyon.
What's inside?
Yeah, it's a broken side. It's a perdi. It's a perdi. Like this one, no, look.
It's a monkey. You want a monkey also? No, over there no. Over there no.
It's not. Let's go down.
Let's go find another trees.
Yes, I'm a Superman. Say hi.
Hello kapamilya.
Kasama maglakad si Dwight?
No.
Si Onay. Then, paano maglakad si Kuya? Paano maglakad si Kuya?
Say hello ka, pamilya.
Where's Nana?
Where's nanay?
Nanay, wala na. At naglipad na si nanay.
O, doon kayo, bilis.
Let's go.
Papi.
Oo.
Halika na, kuya. Halika na, kuya RJ, kamo. Sama daw si kuya RJ. Halika na, kuya RJ. Ang ganda dito. Hello, grandma. Kunam. Hello, grandma Rosalina. Hello, grandma Bangbang. Kunam.
Angela. Mamaya, doon na tayo magtatay. Let's go doon.
Oh my God, nabanugdan. Sakay ka nun.
Oh my God. Oo.
Nabanugin, nabanugin.
Wala. Buwal ba?
Nabanugdan. Let's go, Jengarudan, baban.
Oh my God. What happened to you guys?
Papi, I wish to the front.
You're sakay. Say hello, Kuya Dwight.
Oh, say hi, say hi. Hi, say hi.
No. Oh.
Ay, apo, nabanugdan. Look, there's so many people na. Uy, nabanugdan. Anda kaya umuli bundok.
This is
It's a tunnel. It's a cave. It's a tunnel. Ay, di may isa mabubutong papa eh. Mabutbutong. Dahan-dahan. La, Dwayne. Hulog.
Oh, wala tatay. Yan, tatay niyo. Tatay is here. Wait.
Gawit papa.
Yan tatay ni. Ayan, look tatay ni. Let's go there tatay.
Ang ganda ng panahon.
Oh, look na ni, bawang. Bawang, sibuyas,
Pagay.
tagay. Nay!
Oh no. It's okay.
Hindi ko lang ilaki sa bira. Yun ang pwede guys. Saan tayo mag-upload? Saan tayo maglagay ng upload? Ha? Saan
I
tayo
don't
maglagay
know.
ng upload?
Over there? Oh, yung kagaplagan papa. Are you tired, Dwayne?
Mama, nila sa
Look at the flower. Dagi tayo mahilig, ti. Masetas, ne, nagpipintas. Dagitay plantita. Oh, dagitay mahilig plantita ni Inang. Papa, digay mula na eh.
Saan tayo maglagay ng mga Ini, Jay.
Ito na.
Wait! Wait!
Blood like, thank you, Kuya Arjek. Tsaka mo.
Oh, look, Jenny, wait, Jenny, balasang ni, wait. Hoy, don't touch na, don't touch. Sam ang tigog, eta sa dirty. Wala na dog.
Don't go. Oh, it's dirty. Oh, Dwayne, it's dirty. Ay, look at Papa. What are you doing, Papa? Look, oh.
Ilan mo doon, ilain mo.
Oh, help, Papa, help. Narugit tatay, taking kinanti aso. Munjuwik, tita. Munjuwik. Ano naman?
O, tanggal yung shoes.
Di dati, pero nakatusabong itatad toy.
Tanggal yung shoes. Tanggal yung shoes. I want to. Let's see. Tanggal yung shoes. Tanggal yung
See you soon. Kung naman ako.
What happened?
You have idea? What idea do you want? Do you have? When am? You're so hungry. Ay, apo, busy life. Bagbaga mo na nako. Oh. Ading is hungry. What do you want? You want to eat?
What do you have idea? What the idea do you have? Isa.
Ading go there. In nanay, kay nanay.
Like agwa. Oh, let's am na. Ha?
Balon me, dinaraan, puto. Come tito kunam, come tito. Anat balon nyo ka na kunan ni tito. Tito, come here kunam.
Oh, tanggal mo na yung No, it's not. Tanggal this one. Muna.
Da balon mi nga dinaraan kay
Oh,
puto.
let's eat.
I want aqua.
Nay.
What's tanggal?
I want.
No, don't tanggal.
I want aqua.
You want agua?
I want aqua.
Yan yun ni nanay. Iganda na rin iti.
I want aqua.
Awan dyan dayon. Dyan ang tayo sa pulting. Dayon.
Nay, ikaw man papa, nak magilang gisal po ni tatay.
What happened? Ayun yung ala dan nakilang donggong mo. Lalo ko in the video. In the donggong. Oh my God.
No.
Andan donggong na.
Wala
Hmm.
naman. Ay! What's what? No? Check tayo tayo.
Good. Aqua.
Yeah. Put your shoes.
Ala! Ang laki ang donggong.
No, akin na yung shoes mo.
I like aqua.
Look.
Put your shoes.
Oh. Ito na yung mabali. Nagpipiknik ito yun eh.
Nagatutaw na.
Iyan na eh. Naman na naglilikaw di hardin.
Thank you. Not one.
Doin, ada nakita mo ti chicks?
May chicks daw doon?
The chicks, Jay Dwayne?
Yeah.
Yeah? Maganda, pangit.
Epic.
Epic,
Dwight.
Oh.
Dwight.
Thank you.
Dwight. Maganda.
Welcome.
Maganda, dadamagi ka. May ka na, come here. Dwight.
Adog, labas si Philip. Di kaya nga pangan-pangan.
Hindi nga rin, pagplasaran niyo ma. Oh my God, I had the dunggong.
Sa, tingnan dyan, tatay.
Can I see?
Ni ading. Dwight, ada nakita mo tatay. Ada ni Dwight, ada nakita mo chicks tatay. Maganda, pangit.
What do you want? Mamaya, mamaya.
Iya tayo ni, baba, tata ni, bangir baba.
Sila tan, kada init na ilabas mo yung mga baon natin.
Dito ni nani ni.
Pakita mo yung mga baon natin. Ah.
Let's eat. Makita na kita Espanyol day kanin dikit. Nakita kang kanin dagi tuwing ko na siguro.
Yeah. Dami spaghetti.
Sa bagay ah.
We have puto.
I'm going to bugo my hand.
Where's the spaghetti? Ada dyan ni tatay sa.
I just spaghetti, Tatay.
You want spaghetti?
What?
What?
One is fried.
What? Oh, we have spaghetti. We have puto. We have dinuguan, dardaraan.
Open it.
Wow, perfect combination. Open it. Do you like this?
Yeah.
No.
It's for adults. Sana ko ita.
This for adult. Yo, yung pakas Jay mo ni.
Nanay, I just put nanay.
I love you. I love you too. Yes.
Nanay.
Yes. Oh,
Open it.
open it. Oh. Where's the other one? In the backpack of tatay. Where's the other one?
Open it.
Open it. Oh, wow. Tatay, where's the other food?
Wow. It's so big.
Over there, jelly ko muna, Nay.
I think orange juice. Yeah. Okay. I think orange.
Oh, Dwight ni hugasan ta kami mo ni. Giging ti balon ma di ah. Oh. Dwight ah, hugas this one kamay. Ikom ta.
Di ordinary pa naghugas po manahan na ita na Gabriora. Sabang may lata.
Orange juice.
Yeah, pwede dito di pagbubugas siya.
Orange.
Oh, let's go na, ma'am.
Punas.
Dot kay nanay punas.
No. It's okay.
Oh, let's eat.
Mom again.
Let's eat.
Orange juice.
You like orange juice? Ni Dwayne tatay pa nga isulat na bagbaganan. Manganan.
I get juice, Nanay.
You want juice?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. I will.
Mangantayon, kapamilya. Nay.
Sorry.
No, isang kami itong dati ito kay kabilang sa orange.
Maganda naman ah.
Bukada.
Dai nimi ko.
Ikabi mo dito duman na. Para,
Adati stroke nanay dalap.
no, may gala ako.
My juice.
Oh, nagimas. Kararamid, dinanay. Puto, yaramid na dirabi eh. Kalutluto nga dinaraan.
My juice. Orange juice.
Yes, anak ko. Wait a moment. Wait a moment.
Partner na kayo ni kuya yung orange juice na paglagyan. Para hindi maano.
It's spaghetti.
It's with spaghetti. This one, it's yummy.
Sincharon.
I like orange juice.
Oh. This is just spaghetti.
Mm.
Look, right? It's 12 o'clock.
I like orange juice.
You want orange juice?
Dati pa, ito nga orange juice. Aguray ka anak ko ah.
This one.
Ni Dwight. Dwight, pagkargante, Diyos ita.
No, napanamot dun. Kaya nga pintinanggal namin yung kwan eh.
Wow, we got.
Basta yun.
Ngayon man
Oh, say bye-bye. We're going to eat now. Dwayne, say bye-bye. Dwayne, Dwayne, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
See you,
See you soon.
I
Philippines.
like orange.
Oh, see you soon,
I
Philippines.
like orange.
Oh, oh, oh.
Okay, thank you. Bye.